How's it going, guys? I know it's been a while. Oh, frick. I forgot what I was going to talk about. Dang it. Actually, I know. I just remembered. What happens is, I'm going to explain to you how I motovlog. Alright, first off, I have a full-time job, and I have a part-time job, and my bike is not where I live. So let me just close the clear visor for you guys so you can hear me better. So it's very tough for me to get on my bike, you know. And I mean, I'm working on getting my bike, you know, where I live. You know, but that's taken a while because I gotta build a shed for it / garage. And, you know, like I said, I got the full-time job and a part-time job. So me getting on the bike is rare. And I don't really, like, I have topics to talk about. And what I do is, like, you know, as I'm going through my day, and if I think of a topic, I'll just quickly write it down. Excuse me. I'll just quickly write it down or, you know, type it in on my phone so I don't forget. Well, I just left someplace I had to go, and I was hoping, I meant to look on my phone what was the topic I wanted to talk about, and I forgot to do that. But luckily I remembered one of the other topics I had down, so it's just not in the order that I had wanted it, but it's alright. So anyways, so this is how I motovlog. I don't have any schedule at all. Basically, whenever I get the chance to make a video, I make the video. I mean, yes, there's times where I go on my bike and I don't record because it's kind of like a personal time, I guess you can say, for me. And you know, because since it's so rare, I do kind of cherish it, you know, it's just how it is. And listen, I mean, YouTube, it's not a job for me. This is just a hobby that I do for fun. I mean, yes, of course, eventually I would like to make a little bit of money, you know, making these videos. But I'm not looking at making a whole ton of money. I mean, this is for fun, you know. If I make this all about money, it won't be fun. It won't be real, and I won't be real. Wow, look at that Ram. Nice. I think that's the Ram Runner, I think, right? The Ram Runner? Yeah. But anyways, so getting back to, like, what I was saying, I don't have a schedule. Excuse me. I don't have a schedule. Basically, whenever I get the chance to make a video, I make the video, and then usually I try to, wow, freaking in the bumps there. I try to upload it that night or that day, however it works out. And that's the way I do things, you know. I mean, it makes it so that I'm not stressed out, you know, thinking to myself, oh my god, gosh, I gotta get a video out there. Or it's like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose subscribers. It's like, I don't care about that. I just make these videos for fun. If people watch them, that's great. If they don't watch them, well, I mean, yeah, it's unfortunate, but I'll still make the videos because it's just for fun. And that's basically it. I mean, that's why it's been like 3 weeks since I uploaded my last video, and before that, it was like a month. I'm your normal guy. I got things I have to do as well. I got priorities, and it's like, and also my channel is, my channel's not really anything at right now. I'd love it to be, but it's not like I have people, waiting on me. That's just it. So, and the other thing is, like, I guess this video can also include, the way I motovlog. Like, actually, when I'm filming, I don't script it out. I'm not saying other people script it out, but I don't script it out. I literally, it just comes off the, I wonder where that road goes. I'm going to go up there sometime. It literally just comes off the top of my head. And you know what? I'm not big into editing, and that's why when I upload these videos, and that's basically how they are. Yeah, I trim the end a little bit, and I trim the beginning, but I usually don't trim the middle. And if I do, it's a very little bit, like maybe I was stuck in traffic or something in that matter. And I'm like, well, I'm not gonna bore you guys with me being stuck in traffic. I can do better than that. So I'll trim that piece out, or actually, matter of fact, there was one time I had to turn around. That's right. There was one time I had to turn around, and I'm not gonna stop the camera. I'm just gonna turn around, and then I'll just edit it out, and I did. Excuse me. I got a cold somehow, but so the way I motovlog, it's like literally. Probably the most planning I do when it comes to motovlogging is the fact that I write. I put down in my phone topics to talk about. That is probably the most planning I do. Even when it comes to me going on my bike, it's so rare and so, wow, look at that guy. Freaking Connecticut people, like, if any of you who watch my videos are from Connecticut, you have to understand that what just happened, him cutting him off, that happens all the time here. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to go this way. Dang it. I didn't mean to go this way. Oh, officer, sir. Officer, sir. Sir. Officer, sir. Yeah, the road I was gonna go down, it's rough. Not this road, it's a different road, but the one I was gonna go down, it's really rough, but it's nice because it goes along one of the reservoirs, and I thought it would be like a nice scenic route for you guys. This road's nice too. It just goes through the woods and passes a couple farms. This is actually a nursery right here, but the reservoir, you know, where I live. I don't know if you guys know this, but where I live, I'm only about an hour from the city, and so there's a lot of reservoirs around here, which you can't swim in because it's illegal. And the water from the reservoirs goes, the water from the reservoir flows, down to the city, and that's where the city, or how the city gets its drinking water, is from the, another cop, Officer Sark. Stopping off to get some, they got really good sugar donuts there. But, yeah, so the water flows through these giant pipes, huge. You can fit a 20-yard dump truck in them. They're huge. And, the water flows down to the city, and it supplies the city with water. And, so the reservoirs around here, where I live, they're basically, holding tanks. And, the water that's in the reservoir comes down from like upstate New York, maybe Connecticut, I'm not exactly sure, but it, you know, comes down through rivers and whatnot. Excuse me. And then it, you know, comes into the reservoirs and then flows to the city, just like that, drinking water. But unfortunately, because of that, you know, the EPA and the DEP are really strict about being, you know, not contaminating the water. Like even more so than if it was like a lake or a lake or the ocean. Like you have to be, I think it's now 165 feet from the wetlands. That's not even from the water. The wetlands is like swampy type of setups, areas. So you can't do anything 165 feet, or just say 200 feet near a reservoir. But luckily, you can go fishing. And if you have a license, which I do, and you can also like go out on the reservoirs on a boat. But the boat, if you buy the boat, you have to have it cleaned, like specially cleaned. So then a certain type of barnacle or something like that doesn't grow either on the boat or in the water. I forgot which one it was, but you know, I mean, it makes sense. I wonder where that road goes. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I wish I lived in like Putnam County, or yeah, because it's like it's more open up there. I mean, I'm not that far. It'd probably take me 30 minutes to get like into like the farm country and stuff like that. And I love the open spaces. I plan on making a video at some point, you know, of me out there, you know, a vlog or whatever. It's just that, like I said, I haven't had the time. It's a shame. It's a real gosh darn shame. the video here because I kind of ran out of things to talk about. I mean, I explained to you guys how I motovlog. I mean, that's just me personally. Other people probably do it differently. You know, I'm sure there's someone out there who probably, he probably has a whole script that he tries to memorize, or they, I should say, because it could be a she. But that person tries to memorize, and I'm not saying it's the wrong way. I'm just, it's a lot of work. You know, motovlogging is a big commitment, and that's why right now, yes, I'm making the videos. Yes, I explained in my other video, in other vlogs, that I do have a schedule that I'm trying to stick to. Unfortunately, I've been really busy, and to get on the bike to make a video, it's been tough. But it's like, listen, it's like I don't like to stress about things. So it's like riding a motorcycle or doing these videos. It's supposed to be enjoyable for me. And if I start thinking to myself like, oh my gosh, it's been it's a week. I gotta get a video made. I gotta get it out. I gotta get it uploaded. Well, I gotta think of a topic. If I start doing that, these videos are not going to be enjoyable anymore. Sorry. And you know what? That's just how it's going to be, until somehow I get a more stable schedule going. That's how it's going to be. Well, anyways, I'm going to end the video. Thank you for watching, and please, subscribe. There will be more videos. I'm going to try, the weekend's coming up, and I don't think I'm really doing anything. Sunday, at least, I don't think I'm doing anything, so I'm going to try and make a video then. And, I'm going to try and upload this video tonight. Unfortunately, something came up and now I have to go help a friend. But, please subscribe. Watch my other videos. They're definitely more interesting than this one is. This one's kind of like a blah. And, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, bye.